Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Boss Lee. And today we're actually replacing the radio antenna because, well, it's kind of long, looks old, and you know, it's not putting out the best sound quality we can. So we're actually going to replace it with another antenna. So let me show you what we're going to replace it with. So here is the old existing antenna. The paint's fading off of it, and it is a really long antenna. And actually what we're replacing it with is this guy here, 50 cal antenna. Don't see that very often, but yeah, we're only going to go that high, and yeah, we're getting rid of the rest of that. With these, all you really have to do is just unscrew them, turn it counterclockwise. It's old, so bear in mind it's going to take a little bit to get it off. There it is. Now that that's off, let me show you what we're going to do next. Alrighty, so here is the box that it came with. I already took the antenna out, and on the back it came up with all these hookups. They're all in a mess because I took it out. But the hookups that we use for this truck, since it's already got this kind of screw length coming out already, we don't need these silver ones, we need these black ones. And we actually need the first one. If you're using on a 99 to 06 Silverado, you're going to use one of these guys. What you're going to do is get it slightly started. So get it tied on, try to pull up and it doesn't come off. Then you're going to take the actual antenna, put it on there, and start screwing it on. And keep going till it gets nice and snug and tight. Okay, and then once you get it all tightened down, wiggle it, ain't moving. Now let's see what it sounds like in the cab. Now since we are about to play music, I can't play any real music because of YouTube copyright, which is absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna play the news station.
And I just put out the word to the people that would disagree with me. Let's do something. Let's donate.
So what's coming out really good, which is good because when you take off the antenna, you won't get anything. So
and there were people.
Seems to be working pretty good.
Anything you say, but I agree with this, and people jumped on board.
So I'd like to play music, but unfortunately, because of copyright reasons, I can't. But you guys kind of get the gist. And if you look over, that is all you see. It's just a tiny little antenna. You don't see the 2-foot long antenna that sticks up all the way to frickin' Mars. Now that I know that works, I'm really happy with it. So that concludes this modification to the Silverado. I'm really happy because really when you walk by the truck, you don't even notice it. So that's kind of the goal, kind of get rid of those old school antennas. A lot of these newer vehicles have that little shark fin looking thing on the top of the roof. So we're kind of moving along with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like and subscribe to Quad Boss Elite. And we will catch you on the next one.
What you make it.